Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to join Clubhouse without invitation. So let's start. Clubhouse is an audio-only social media app. It is now only available on iOS and you have to have an invitation from one of your friends who is using Clubhouse. Now I will show you how you can use the app without any invitation. But you have to remember that this is a tweaked app. So open a browser. Now type in the address apphub.vip. AppHub is a tweaked app store and you will find all the tweaked apps here. Under the featured apps, you should find Clubhouse++. Now let's look for that. Here you can see Clubhouse++. And if you don't find the app here, then tap on the search bar and type in Clubhouse. And you will see the Clubhouse++ app. Here you can see that you can use the app without an invite. And it is also available on Android and iOS. Now tap on Clubhouse++. Now tap on Download Now. Now it will take a few moments to download the app. Now you have to verify that you are a human, not a robot, and you have to complete all the instructions of the offers given below. After you have completed all the instructions, the app will be downloaded automatically. And you will be able to join Clubhouse without an invitation. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.